Today we're looking under Array-2, problem fizzArray. The problem says, given a number n, create and return a new int array of length n containing the numbers 0, 1, 2, n minus 1. The given n may be 0, in which case just return a length 0 array. You do not need a separate if statement for the length 0 case. The for loop should naturally execute 0 times in that case, so it just works. The syntax to make a new int array is new int desired length. Okay, so all we have to do, first off, we need to make our answer array. So let's make that. So int array, ans, equals new int array of n. Now, what we need to do is loop through our for loop. So for int I equals 0, and then we know we want to loop it n times. So n is less than, our I is less than n, and then I plus plus. We know that our value in a certain index is the same number as the index. So we need to do ans. At this index, I should equal itself, the same value. And then after that's all done, we can just return ans. If we run that, we see it works.